Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another dramatic video from Tees 95. Today, we will explore together the most giant and powerful machines in the world. Well, let's get started now. Number 1 position, GOSHO, a prominent and largest grab dredging ship in the world, built in 2000 and registered in Nagoya, Japan. With a length of 100 meters, a width of 36 meters, and a total height of about 50 meters, the GOO is a giant machine capable of handling materials of varying hardness with a bucket capacity of up to 200 cubic meters. Not only that, this ship can also effectively dredge to a depth of 48 meters, an extremely impressive achievement. Second place, LExion 8900, the largest harvester class has ever built. This revolutionary agricultural machine has a 6-cylinder MAN engine with a capacity of 16.2 liters, producing up to 790 horsepower. Equipped with a 12.3 meter long Vario harvester and a huge 18,000 liter grain beam, the LExion 8900 is truly a marvel of modern agricultural technology. At around $300,000, this is a significant investment in performance and efficiency for large-scale farms. Third place, 1978P and H2800 Mark II, a living testament to durability and longevity in the heavy machinery industry. Equipped with an XP series crane and 36Y bucket, this power model was produced from 1975 to 1983. With over 40 years of existence, the P and H2800 Mark II has proven its solid design and durable performance. Your persistence passing the test of time spectacularly. Fourth place, LIIP P995, a giant in the world of underwater mining, standing tall as one of the largest dredgers in the world. Often seen at major ports such as Germany's Jade, this machine plays an extremely important role in dredging and exploiting nearshore resources. Equipped with a powerful MTU diesel engine according to ISO 9149 standards, LIIP P995 possesses an incredible capacity of up to 1,500 kilowatts and weighs nearly 400 tons. With a bucket volume of 7 to 25 cubic meters, this machine is capable of digging up to 26 to 30 meters deep.